Passion is the key. You must love what you do.
Are you for real?
For real?
Are you doing that?
Yeah. Ese ya nwebe mpasado ojuto wee na-enegharị anya mma na-eyi bio afụkwana negotu na anya ebe a ọ bụrụ na afụgo Phyno kedu ihe dị iche ya na Phyno? Phyno nekwa nwanne ya nwoke nekwa alụba gị nekwa na Phyno brother ka afa yi onye ebe onye ojoto ka ịbụ mana ka ihe ndị mmadụ na-agwa dị afọ gị
always anytime ndị mmadụ from ha na-akpọ m Phyno even they thought I'm Phyno really they're always Phyno anywhere Phyno you know
mana gị na Phyno eyika.
Well, I feel because a lot of people have been saying that. And then now people all over, you know. So Hana said, "I'm trying. I come from mountain. Mona Phyno get see where for can wake him what to do. No one there rambo. No you know. So I don't know.
Phyno, if you go one leg no joke, I love again.
Yeah.
But what do you have to tell Phyno, brother?
Well, Phyno, I want you to understand that I'm just your biological twins. So when you look at, you will literally see that I'm biological brother to you. So you just have to try and see what you can do to find me around or to get me around you. So you can really understand that I'm really brother to you.
That's good.
No matter where I find myself, but from the Creator, I quietly believe that the God sent you and I. But because I sent me to the other side, and you to the other side too. But I believe that people is quietly convinced that I'm your biological brother.
Biological brother means that the same father, the same mother.
I believe that.
No, do we call it biological or maybe spiritual brother?
Okay, let's call that spiritual brother. Isn't true?
Oh, that's true, bro.
Yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Oh, I'm just managing a security operation. Though I just came down from the cool side, trying to see how better I can help my country and also my town, because I love them, I want to help them, and I know that I am responsible to help them, not them to help me. So I want to start on the security to make sure I will put the life and property in order.
So you are working as a security guy in Ojoto, securing life and properties.
Securing life and properties.
Oh, that's good. That's good. But do you like Phyno's songs?
I love Phyno songs always, really.
Which one do you like in particular?
Well, I'm too confused to call the one I really like. I like everything about him. It's getting me crazy. Really?
So, my guys, man, if I know, like it. Oh, wonderful. Like it.
You know?
Hey, Kegufi doesn't like him.
You can remind me because I told you I love all of them. Almost everything about him, I'm too good with it.
Yeah, Phyno nwanne nwoke ọ nọ n'Ojoto ịbịa ka imechalụ nwanne gị tinye ya n'ife a na-alụ na isi onye enyelụ nyanye nekwa nwunye gị ọ nọ n'Ojoto udo dị nwanne m ya gazieri o. That's good. This is Phyno look-alike.
Yeah.
This guy just looks so much like Phyno.
Yeah.
Udo dị.
Sure.
Ya gazie.
Thank you.
One love, bro.
I love you.
Bye.
Thank you.